Okay.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. So today we're here presenting our toy for the toy design class, and we're Simon Says Master Rocket. I'm Shaz Kandawala.
Ryan Andrews.
Blake Larson.
Jacob Peterson.
So the background, the inspiration for our toy comes from the 50th anniversary of the moon landing, and we just wanted to recreate history in a fun and interesting way by integrating two different toys together. So what is it? It's a fun interactive toy that helps kids build a stronger memory, as well as experiencing space travel in a unique way. Our target audience is going to be just young kids, anyone from the ages of 2 to 65. Because kids are going to love this toy because it's a Simon Says game that is integrated with a little rocket launcher that takes the rocket to the moon as the kids play the Simon Says game and wins levels. But it can also be a nice add-on to your home or your office if you're a space enthusiast and you would like to have it as just as a piece.
Okay, so some of the key features of our toy, as you can see here, so we've got the rocket attached to a belt here. The belt is driven by a stepper motor at the bottom, which is controlled by an Arduino inside. The Arduino is basically what powers this game that we have. So it's a simple Simon Says game where you just follow different patterns that the buttons give you, and each time that you win a level, the rocket goes up a little bit more, and once you reach the end, it plays a little tune for you. And if you lose the game, the rocket will go back down to its original position.
Yeah, so basically the game has 3 functions when you press the button. If you press it correctly, the rocket will raise, and it'll replay the sequence with an additional light you have to then do again. If you fail, all of the lights will light up, and it'll bring the rocket back down to its initial position. And if you reach the top, which we're assuming right now will be 10 stages, because that's not too challenging, as Jake said, a tune will play, and then it'll raise the rocket down once it's over, and you can replay the game. You don't have to turn it off and back on.
All right, so for manufacturing, our two main processes that we used were 3D printing and laser cutting. 3D printing for the rocket itself and all the pulleys, or the pulley stands, and then laser cutting and etching for our box and containment unit for it. And used wood and SLA for it. And then for the assembly, it was basically just taking all our laser cut parts, putting the electronics inside it that we either purchased from Amazon or got from the ME department, and then just building it up, and that's pretty much all we have left to do is final assembly.
So we'll show you a live demo of what we have so far. We have the functionality of the Simon Says completed, and it's attached to the motor that will spin. It's not attached to the rocket. So you turn it on, plays a tune, and then it'll play the game, and the motor will spin. So I'm going to fail in the next one to show you what happens when you fail. And it'll go back to its initial position. And we have it set right now, so if you do 4 turns, you win. So I'll do 4 real fast. And then it goes back down. So yeah, we just need to have it actually built, and it theoretically should work.
Then we have a Creo as a demonstration here, or playback. Yeah, so it's just a simple belt pulley system with a slider for the rocket. So, yeah.
So what we still need to do is these side pieces, we actually need to re-laser cut and move up the poles for the pulley system because the belt actually doesn't touch the motor. And after that, it's just gluing everything together because we have everything theoretically good to go. So just gluing everything together.
Any questions?
If you have time, suggestion that your phone is it what's the material?
It's styrofoam. Yeah.
We cut it in half after,
Okay, so
Yeah.
if possible, you can drill tiny holes and put LED light there. Once you reach the moon, so this way the whole moon can light up. It will be more.
Sure.
Good suggestion.
Thank you all.